Jai Shri Gurudev. So my dear students, in last class we already discussed about the exercise 10.3, some related problems. No, some other problems. See, exercise 10.3. See, question number 11. Show that magnitude of A vector into B vector plus magnitude of B vector into A vector is perpendicular to magnitude of A vector B vector into B vector minus magnitude of B vector into A vector for any two non-zero vectors A vector and B vector. Perpendicular. So gurutinಕೊಳ್ಳಿ perpendicular ಎಲ್ಲನ ಬರಲಿ you have to use the dot product. So two vectors perpendicular ಇರುತ್ತೆ, its dot product is equals to 0 ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So therefore answer. So magnitude of A vector B vector plus magnitude of B vector A vector perpendicular to this one. Magnitude of A vector B vector minus magnitude of B vector A vector. Okay na? Like that first we have to write. Perpendicular means ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ A vector B vector plus magnitude of B vector A vector dot. Okay. Next magnitude of A vector B vector minus magnitude of B vector A vector is equals to what? Is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Okay na? Now multiplication ಮಾಡಿ. Dot multiplication. Magnitude of A vector, magnitude of A vector. Magnitude of A vector ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ B dot magnitude of A vector into B vector. First one ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. First one. This one into this one. So minus. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Magnitude of A vector ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Magnitude of A vector whole square into B dot B vector dot B vector. First one is over. Next this one into this one. Okay, minus here, minus A vector magnitude of A vector magnitude of B vector, magnitude of A vector magnitude of B vector. Okay, B vector into B dot A B vector dot A. Okay, second one will go. Next this one into this one. Magnitude of B vector magnitude of A vector, magnitude of plus magnitude of B vector magnitude of A vector into what? Into A dot B A vector dot B vector. Or next. So the last one, this one. Magnitude of B vector is what? Magnitude of B vector whole square. Magnitude of B vector. So minus magnitude of B vector whole square into A dot B. So A vector dot A. So it is equals to 0. Okay na? Now simplify it. Magnitude of A vector whole square. Magnitude of A vector whole square into magnitude of B vector whole square. Okay. Minus magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector into B dot A dot B ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? A dot B. So A dot B plus magnitude of B vector magnitude of A vector ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ magnitude of A vector ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. magnitude of A vector magnitude of B vector into A dot B. Okay, A dot B into minus magnitude of B vector whole square A dot A ಅಂದ್ರೆ magnitude of A vector whole square magnitude of A vector whole square is equals to what? 0 is equals to 0. Sorry, here one mistake done. What is that mistake means, my dear students? I have to show that it is perpendicular ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ don't take 0. Okay, so simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ don't take directly 0. so this one dot value is equals to ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. don't take directly 0, not perpendicular ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ is not. I had to show that perpendicular. Show that ಅಂದ್ರೆ is equals to 0 ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, not consider ourselves. Okay. See, magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector whole square, magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector whole square, minus cancel plus cancel. Okay na? Next. So A vector B vector A dot B, A vector B vector A dot B. So minus plus both are cancel. So is equals to what? Is equals to 0. Banta very easiest problem. No? So therefore these two vectors are perpendicular. anta innond sari last one ge bariki. We have to write another time. So the first vector, second vector perpendicular anta bariki. Okay. So this is one of the important question also. These are very important questions. Okay. Don't take directly 0. We have to do that 0 now prove not. Okay na? See. So here next question number 12. See. Question number 12. See. So if A vector dot A vector is equals to 0 and A vector dot B vector is equals to 0, then what can be concluded about the vector B vector? So by taking the these two informations, so what is the vector we can consider for the B vector, you have to tell. Okay, this is the information. Now see, first condition, A vector dot A vector is equals to 0. Okay na? So A vector dot A vector means magnitude of A vector whole square anta helidina, magnitude of A vector whole square is equals to 0. Okay, dot 0 anta sir perpendicular agutte. So no, same vectors have perpendicular agalla. So that's why have to search some other ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So therefore magnitude of A vector whole square is A dot A vector dot A vector is equals to magnitude of A vector whole square is equals to 0. So therefore eventually we can tell that magnitude of A vector is equals to 0. Okay, over. Next, A vector dot B vector is equals to 0. A vector dot B vector is equals to 0 agudra. So automatically we can tell that perpendicular irbodu anta helbodu. Okay, so magnitude of A vector 0 agide anಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A vector dot B vector is equals to 0 andre magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector cos theta is equals to 0. 0 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ magnitude of A vector is equals to 0 ಇದಲ್ವಾ, 0 ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we can consider any vector. So B vector ಏನನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ whatever it may be, B vector, if you take any vector for the B vector, it is true. So ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, what can be concluded about the vector ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. So we can consider any vector for the B vector B. Okay, any vector for the B vector ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, so vector B vector can be any vector. Vector B vector can be any vector. ಏನನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, why? Because A vector magnitude of A vector 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇವೇನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So from these two information we can conclude that B vector can be take any vector. Okay, so this is our information. So question number 13. See my dear students, see question number 13. If A vector, B vector, C vector are unit vector such that A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equals to 0. This is a condition had to take. Find the value of A dot B, A vector dot B vector plus B vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector. Okay, so I had to prove what is the value of this one. Okay, answer. So magnitude of A vector is equals to magnitude of B vector is equals to magnitude of C vector is equals to 1. Why? Because unit vector represent ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ unit vector ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡಿ. So therefore magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, magnitude of C vector is equals to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? So this is the information. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ another information is given now. So take like that. Okay, A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equals to 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. is equals to 0 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, both sides ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ both sides. A vector B vector plus C vector whole square is equals to 0 na. 0 vector ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0. Okay, so we can write A plus B plus c dot a plus b plus c ಹಂಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾನ್, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಸಿ magnitude of a vector whole square plus magnitude of b vector whole square plus magnitude of c vector whole square plus 2 into a dot b dot ಬರೀಬೇಕು, into ಬರೀಬೇಕು, a dot b plus 2 into b dot c plus 2 into c dot a, c dot a. So 2 into c dot a, so is equals to 0, is equals to 0. Easy na? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2bc 2ca formula is there na? With respect to vectors like this. Vectors ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಡಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಡಾಟ್ ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಲೂಸ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ a vector 1 ಬರೀಬೇಕು, 1 b vector 1 c vector 1 magnitude. Why? Because unit vector. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 square what? 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 power plus 2 into, see here 2 2 2 ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, make it 2 common. Okay, into a vector dot b vector plus b dot c b vector dot c vector plus c vector dot a is equals to 0. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to what? 3 no? ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore 2 into a vector dot b vector b vector dot c vector c vector dot a vector is equals to minus 3. minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus 3 ಇರೋದು ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 3. So minus 3 divided by 2 next to square, so it will become minus 3. Very easy problem, no? Very easy. Very important, 100% important question this is. Okay, another problem is there, one example problem I will give. Same problem, data is change. Okay, data change is the same, have to do homework. Okay, what is the final answer? A dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equals to what? minus 3 by 12. So minus 3 by 2. So this is the answer. Okay na? So like that you have to simplify. Okay, minus 3 by 2. Understood or not? So this is about the one of the important question number 14. Okay. See, I will give a homework for you, same related problem. Okay. See, this is a homework. Example 29, one of the very important question. Okay, another important question. If a vector, b vector, c vector are the three vectors such that a vector plus b vector plus c vector is equals to 0, find the value of a dot b, b dot c, c dot a. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 4, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2. ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ 1 ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 1 4 2 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 1 4 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 16, 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ನಾವೇನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವೋ ಆ ಮೆಥಡೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಈಸಿ, ಒಂದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. Next we will move to the next problem. See my dear students, next question. See question number 14. If either vector a vector is equals to 0 or b vector is equals to 0, then a vector dot b vector is equals to 0. A vector dot b vector is equals to 0. Okay, but the converse need not be true. Justify your answer with an example. Justify your answer justify your answer with an example. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಸಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಸಿ if a vector is equals to I cap, this is one vector. B vector is equals to j cap. ಹೌದಿರಾ? ಸೊ a vector b vector 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 0 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನನ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ 1 into I. so therefore a vector is not equals to 0, b vector is not equals to 0. 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ a dot b ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ a dot b ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, a dot b equals to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ a dot b is equals to I cap dot j cap. So I cap is a unit vector along x axis, j cap is a unit vector along y axis. So therefore its dot product is equals to what? 0. Why? Because if two perpendicular vectors dot product is what? 0, no? So if two vectors are perpendicular, its dot product is equals to 0. Already well known principle, so many problems done. Okay, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, so I cap dot j cap is equals to 0. a dot b equals 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ? but ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀ but ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ a dot b equals 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, a dot b equals 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, but ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? but a vector is not equals to 0 ನೋಡಿ, 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. b vector is not equals to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a dot a vector equals 0, b vector equals 0, then a dot b equals 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a dot b 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ a vector b vector 0 ಆಗೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ a dot b 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ a vector b vector not 0. So therefore converse need not be true. This is the one example. ಇದರ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, I will take some other examples sir. You can take some other examples. Okay, but supportive ಆಗಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗದೇ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟಿಫೈ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗದಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೊ ಗಿವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ therefore a dot b is equals to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ a vector is not equals to 0, b vector is not equals to 0. So this is an example. Okay, so very easiest problem. Next, so therefore we can confirm that what is that? Converse need not be. Converse need not be. ಆಗ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆಗದಿರೋದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೂ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 14. See next, example 15. This is also one of the important questions. So if a vector is equals to 5i minus j cap minus 3k cap and b vector is equals to I cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap, then show that the vectors a plus b, a vector plus b vector, a vector minus b vector are perpendicular ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, perpendicular means its dot product is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ a plus b and a minus b. a plus b ಮಾಡೋಣ. a vector plus b vector is equals to add ಮಾಡಿ 5i plus I, what? 6i minus j plus 3j plus 2j. Okay, minus 3k minus 5k minus 8k. This is addition. Okay, subtraction. A vector minus b vector, subtraction. 5i minus I, 4i. Okay, minus j minus 3j, minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ, minus I minus j minus 3j minus 4j. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ minus 3k minus ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus 5k 2k plus 2k. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ a plus b a minus b. Now calculate the dot product. Okay, dot product calculate. So a plus b dot a minus b dot product ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ 6 4 ಜಾ 6 into 4 plus 2 into minus 4 2 into minus 4 plus okay minus 8 into 2 minus 8 into 2 multiply ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. is equals to 6 4 ಜಾ 24 minus 2 4 ಜಾ 8 minus 16 minus 16 minus 8 is what? 24. So 24 minus 24 is equals to banta. So 0. So is equals to a plus b dot a minus b equals to what? 0. So therefore we can tell that a vector plus b vector perpendicular to a minus okay a vector a plus b perpendicular to a minus b. Very easiest problem. Like that you have to simplify. Okay my dear students, so this is the example 50. So my dear students, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, comment below this video. Otherwise send the messages in the mathematics group WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp mathematics group. Thank you my dear students.